Ever wish a washer could handle the laundry while you supervise your kids cleaning the house? Or better yet, supervise your snacks during the game? Meet the LG WT1201CW top load washing machine. So clever, it practically whispers, "I've got this." And trust me, there's a twist coming up that will make you question if this washer might actually be smarter than you. Now, let's talk about this washer, a top loader with a roomy 4.5 cubic foot capacity, big enough to handle all your clothes, towels, and whatever other fabric items you've been ignoring. Measuring 27 inches wide, 28 inches deep, and 45 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit in your laundry space, but powerful enough to tackle that emergency load you forgot about. Its LED lit control panel is so easy to use, even your teenager could figure it out. But let's not push our luck there. Choose from the turbo wash, cold wash, allergen, and other cycles that take the guesswork out of laundry. With this machine, you feel like a laundry pro without actually having to build one. Let's get technical, but not too technical, because you got things to do. The washer's water valve system ensures the perfect amount of water is used for every cycle, saving money and keeping you eco-friendly. It also teams up with pressure sensor to prevent overflows, send error codes if something is not right, because nothing says helpful like a washer with its own warning system. Just don't ignore it. It's not your teenager. The washer uses four suspension rods instead of counterweights to stabilize the tub. These rods observe vibration, keep the tub balanced, and prevent excessive movement during the wash and spin cycles. They're durable, self-leveling, and essential for quiet, smooth operation, ensuring your washer stays put, even with heavy loads. The washer's drain pump ensures water is efficiently removed after every cycle. No soggy clothes there. The detergent dispenser is a three-compartment genius, one for detergent, one for softener, and one for bleach. It works seamlessly so your whites stay white, your brights stay bright, and your delicates don't end up looking like something the dog chewed on. Yes, it's super easy to clean. Now, the big reveal, mold, not in this tub. Now here's the part that will make you say, wait, what? After your load finishes, you can leave the lid down but unlocked. The washer's air drying design will circulate air through the drum. This keeps moisture from hanging around, which means mold and mildew don't stand a chance. From the smooth sailing suspension rods to the mold busting air drying feature, the washer here is something you didn't know you needed. It's fast, efficient, and smells fresher than your last load of gym socks. While it won't fold your laundry, it might just win MVP of your household. If you found this breakdown helpful, if it made you laugh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Remember, laundry doesn't have to suck when you got washers like this.